Hey there, small business heroes. We know you're out there working tirelessly to make your dreams a reality. Let's face it, doing taxes probably doesn't top your list of fun activities. It's more like a necessary evil, right? You'd rather be brainstorming the next big thing, chatting with customers, or coming up with innovative ideas to grow your business. Or maybe even just finally cleaning that one really messy desk drawer that's been haunting you for months. And you're not alone in this struggle. A recent study showed that nearly 60% of small business owners find tax filing to be a real pain in the, well, you get the idea. But hold on, there's hope. Before you chuck your laptop out the window and vow to live off the grid, take a deep breath. There's a better way to handle this. We're here to tell you that tax season doesn't have to be a nightmare. It can actually be manageable and, dare we say, even a bit rewarding. This isn't one of those relaxing meditation apps telling you to visualize a babbling brook. No, we're talking about real, actionable steps you can take. We're talking about practical advice, clear explanations, and strategies that make sense for your business. And maybe even a few laughs along the way, because who says taxes have to be all doom and gloom? Stick with us and we'll help you navigate the wild world of small business taxes like a pro. You'll gain confidence and clarity. Because hey, time spent understanding your taxes is time saved stressing about them later. And that means more time for what you love, running your business. We get it. The tax system can feel like a maze designed by someone who really hates straight lines, but fear not, intrepid entrepreneur. We're here to be your guide through this labyrinth of forms, deadlines, and deductions. This isn't about complicated jargon or boring lectures. We're talking simple, actionable tips that can make a real difference for your bottom line. Think of this as your tax survival kit, packed with everything you need to not just survive tax season, but actually come out on top. We'll break down the essentials, from understanding those pesky deadlines to uncovering valuable deductions you might not even know existed. Ready to transform your tax experience from oh no to oh yeah, let's do this. Okay, let's be honest. Taxes aren't exactly known for being user-friendly, especially for small business owners. It's like trying to assemble furniture with instructions written in a language you vaguely remember from high school. One minute you're trying to decipher the difference between a 1099 and a W-2, and the next you're wondering if you can claim your pet goldfish as a business expense. Spoiler alert, you probably can't. The truth is, the tax code is complex and constantly changing, making it tough for even seasoned entrepreneurs to keep up. Add in the unique challenges of running your own business, managing cash flow, chasing invoices, and trying to remember what day it is. And it's no wonder taxes can feel like a major headache. But here's the good news. Understanding why taxes feel so hard is the first step to making them easier. So, let's dive into some common pain points and, more importantly, how to overcome them. Let's be real, deadlines can be a real buzzkill. They're like that friend who always shows up unannounced right when you're about to dig into a delicious meal. But unlike that friend, tax deadlines are non-negotiable. Miss one, and you could be looking at some hefty penalties. The good news is, staying on top of your tax deadlines is totally doable with a little planning and maybe a well-placed wall calendar. First things first, know your tax schedule. Mark down key dates like estimated tax payments, annual filing deadlines, and any state or local tax deadlines that apply to your business. Don't rely on memory alone. Set reminders on your phone, put sticky notes on your bathroom mirror, or do whatever it takes to etch those dates into your brain. Remember, procrastination might feel good in the moment, but it's a surefire way to turn tax season into a frantic scramble. Stay ahead of the game, and you'll thank yourself later. Section 5. Get your ducks in a row organizing your financial paper trail. Imagine this. It's tax time, and you're frantically digging through a mountain of receipts, invoices, and random scraps of paper with coffee stains on them. Sounds fun, right? Okay, maybe not. It's a nightmare scenario that many of us have faced at one point or another. But the truth is, disorganized finances are a recipe for tax time stress. It can lead to missed deductions, filing errors, and even penalties. The good news is, getting your financial house in order doesn't require a degree in accounting or a team of personal assistants. It's all about creating a system that works for you. Start by creating a system for tracking your income and expenses. This can be as simple or as sophisticated as you need it to be. You can go old school with spreadsheets or try out one of the many handy accounting software options available. There are even apps that can help you keep track on the go. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Consistency is crucial in maintaining an organized financial paper trail. Make it a habit to categorize your transactions, reconcile your bank statements regularly, and keep all those important documents, think invoices, receipts, and tax forms, in designated folders. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. Trust us, when tax season rolls around, your future self will be doing a happy dance amidst a sea of perfectly organized files. You'll be able to find everything you need quickly and easily, making the whole process much smoother and less stressful. Section 6. The Deduction Dance: Unearthing Hidden Savings for Your Business. Deductions. The word alone is enough to make any small business owner's ears perk up. Why? Because deductions are like secret discounts on your taxes, helping you keep more of your hard-earned money. But here's the thing. You can't take advantage of deductions you don't know about. That's why it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the wide range of deductions available to small businesses. We're talking about everything from home office expenses and business travel to marketing costs and even those fancy coffee meetings with clients. Yes, really. Don't be afraid to get specific. The more closely you track your expenses and research potential deductions, the greater your chances of uncovering hidden savings. Remember, every dollar you save on taxes is a dollar you can reinvest in your business. So, channel your inner detective, dust off your magnifying glass, and get ready to unearth those valuable deductions. Section 7. Year-round tax strategy: your secret weapon against tax season stress. Let's face it, most of us don't exactly jump for joy at the thought of taxes. The stress, the paperwork, the looming deadlines, it can all feel overwhelming. But what if we told you that tax season doesn't have to be a mad dash to the finish line? Imagine a scenario where you approach tax time with confidence and ease. The secret? A year-round tax strategy. This approach transforms the way you handle your taxes, making the process smoother and less stressful. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait until the day before a marathon to start training, would you? Just like a marathon, preparing for tax season requires consistent effort and planning. The same principle applies to your taxes. By taking small, manageable steps throughout the year, you can avoid the last-minute rush and the associated stress. By incorporating tax planning into your regular business routine, you can avoid those last-minute scrambles and potentially save yourself a whole lot of stress, and maybe even some money. This proactive approach can lead to better financial decisions and more savings. This means staying organized throughout the year, keeping track of your expenses, and maintaining detailed records. Keeping up with tax law changes, understanding how new regulations might affect your business, and adjusting your strategy accordingly, and regularly reviewing your finances. This continuous review helps you stay on top of your financial health and make informed decisions. It might sound like extra work up front, but trust us, a little planning goes a long way when it comes to conquering your taxes. The peace of mind you'll gain is well worth the effort. So ditch the tax time panic and embrace the power of a year-round tax strategy. This shift in approach can transform your experience and make tax season just another part of your business routine. Your future self will thank you. By taking control now, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more manageable tax season in the future. Section 8. Share your tax tales. Join the conversation. Well, folks, there you have it. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of small business tax filing, from understanding those pesky deadlines to uncovering hidden deductions. But we're not done yet. We want to hear from you. What's your biggest tax filing challenge? Have you had any aha moments that made tax season a little less daunting? Share your stories, tips, and maybe even a few tax-related jokes in the comments below. Let's create a community of small business owners who are ready to conquer tax season together. Because, hey, even if taxes aren't exactly a walk in the park, at least we can laugh and learn along the way.